Hi and welcome to Old School Garage. Here we go, we're gonna bench test an alternator today. This is a 1969 Octopus electrical test bench. I had this for many years now. It's been very reliable and very simple to use. Here we go. This what we have in here today. It's a Perkins engine alternator, but it's actually on a Jeep Commando. I refurbished this one recently, so we're gonna give it a test run. Here we go. That's a connection for a battery light in there. We got a connection for the ignition, and also we got a connection for the normal battery as well, B+. So we're gonna connect this up all these wires, then we can test this alternator on the bench. So here we go, let's get all the wires up. So start with the positive. We got permanent B+ to put in. It's basically as the same as when you're testing a normal car. You know, you got your battery connections, you need battery light, also you need an ignition because you need to start the alternator. So it's just a bit of extra wiring when you're on a bench. Obviously it's looks more complicated than what it is. It's only a few wires. Here we go. That's our negative. So that's our ground wire, just to put it on. And finally we got the battery light as well. So that's in place now. Make sure they're not loose, all the connections, they're all firm. Go. That's basically putting ignition on. You can see 8.5 volt in there. That's the battery power in the car or in the test bench. That's the battery light in there. Take ignition off, back on. That's the analog meters on the test bench. I put digital meters in there as well because I like to see it in detail. It's not like I don't trust the old meters, but it's just better off. That's the start button in there, and let's go for it. So gently the speed is taking up now on the alternator. We're gonna get it up to about 2000 revs. Simulating 2000 revs in a car. So here we go. The battery light is still on. See if it's actually gonna work. Here we go. The battery light is out. The charge is up. We got 14.1 volts at the moment. We got 14.1 volts due to the battery in the test bench is low on voltage. So basically it's giving a bit more charge. It should be around 13.7, 13.8. So we're revving at 2000 revs right now. So all the wires is connected up. It's no arcing, nothing going on there. It's just run it in basically. It has the new brushes, so there we go. So that's a detailed view. We're running at just under 2000 revs right now, and we can adjust the speed so it simulates what's happening in the car as well. So we can turn it down and also we can turn it up as well. go to the other direction. Here we go. We can get it up to 2,500 now. 2.6, 2.7. That's roughly the same as 2,600 RPM in the car. We can gently bring the revs down as well. It's nice to see if the voltage is not changing when we're changing the speed. And we can turn the machine off now. And basically that's how you test bench an alternator. I know it looks really simple, but you can buy a cheap test bench for a few £100 as well if you do this often. It's well worth having. So, just simple, just like a lathe, it's very simple. It's no complicated. This test bench is 50-year-old, over 50-year-old now. So, that's all the speedometer in the test bench. It's an old girl, this test bench, but it's been a really good workhorse for me. And these are the digital meters I have in there. A bit more accurate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And if you like the video, please hit the like button as well. I'll see you soon.